So guys, I just discovered this new opportunity which I can use to make a whole lot of money. So I want to share this opportunity with you guys. So as you can see here, I already plan I've already spotted the opportunity. So you can see I have 105 USDT here, and I want to make this particular trade live. So I'm gonna be using 100 USD to do this particular trade. Okay, so I've been teaching you guys in my VIP group, I've been teaching you guys this particular strategy which work perfectly. So I just made some profit from the trade right now. I was just trying to test the water. So what we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be shorting this particular cheap slash USDT. Okay, we are gonna be shorting the coin. Okay, so over here you can see we already have the money here. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna be using 3S to short the market. Okay, so while we watch and see how it actually unfolded. So you can see I use 100 USDT to enter this particular market. Okay, so you can see I've already placed my money right here. So you can see actually we are now you can see this is the coin running already. So we're gonna give it some time and come back again to see what we actually made. So the reason why I entered this particular trade at the first place was because of this particular fair value gap here. So I've been teaching you guys this particular strategy actually. First of all, the reason why I entered this particular trade was because if you can take a look at this particular place, there was a fair value gap here. Okay, there is a very big gap here, and the market need to come down to clear the, even if the market is supposed to continue going up, it have to come down to clear this particular place before it will continue to do what, to go down. Okay, so that was the reason why I entered this particular market. Okay, so and my target on this particular trade is just 20%. Once I get to 20% of my money, I will move out of the market. So the next thing which I'm gonna be doing, if you want to learn how to go about this, you can join my VIP group. It costs you only 30 USDT for you to join my VIP group. Okay, so I'm gonna go to set this my position. You can see I only want to take profit at 20%. Okay, so my take profit over here is gonna be 20%. So let's say my TP is 0.09 0.0897. so this is it. I'm gonna be setting it here 8. Okay, so this is my TP, and if you want to enter if you want to be joining me to make this particular trade, you can also join me. So my stop loss is gonna be 0.095. Let's say 0.99. So I want to risk 14% to make 20%. So I'm gonna confirm it. So you can see the trade is already running. Okay, I actually saw this opportunity and I knew it gonna favor me a lot. That was the reason why I entered the trade. Okay, so it's gonna be very profitable. So you can stick to the end, and if you want to join me, like I said, if you want to join this particular trade, you can send me message on Telegram or WhatsApp. Okay, so for you to join us and start making money in the market. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video here and wait for the finish of this trade. Guys, look at what I actually did. This is if you really want to be highly profitable in a long run, this is also what you continue to do. So you can see that my profit is close to 5 USD and the market is up and down. Now look at what I did. What I did was I took my money, my trade to break even. Okay, so you can see right now it have went down, but I took it to break even. Okay, so and what are the break even? Let me show you. Let me cancel this and start afresh. So what I did now is that I reopen take profit and stop loss. So my take profit is 0.088, okay, which is 20 USD. Then I took my my stop loss to break even. So what I mean is that even if the market is now going down, because I bought this coin from I short it from 0.0951 or 49. So I took it to break even, which is 0.0943. Okay, so I will only have, even if the market is going against me, at least I'll have like 0.69 and it will close. So I'm in a free trade right now. Okay, I have nothing to lose in this particular trade, even if the market is going the opposite. So I can just go and rest. Okay, so you can see it here. This is the break even. I entered from this particular red place. So I now since I'm in profit, I took my break even to closer to where I entered. So if the market is now gonna go against me, once it come to this particular place, it will automatically close, and this is where my take profit is. Okay, you can see my take profit here. So once it dip down to that place, it will automatically close. Okay, so but I'm seeing that the market will actually go my way. So but even if it didn't go my way, I will also be in profit and it will automatically close. I will no longer be in the market. So but I'm actually in $3 to $5 profit. Okay, but I want to make my TP to this particular place. So this is actually how you trade and be profitable in a long run. Okay, so I'm gonna pause here and also wait for the end. So you can see, wow, you can see that. So it's actually going to my direction. So you can see, so but I have entered the break even area. Okay, wow, you can see we just hit 12 USDT. Okay, and that was a very big dip. Let me see it here. Wow, you can see that. It almost hit my TP, but it didn't actually go to that place, but it actually remained a little something for it to hit my TP. I didn't know what happened, but it would have hit my TP. Wow, oh my god. So and as you can see, this thing that just happened here, it might now go against me because it would have closed at this particular place, but it didn't close. So I think you can see what happened here. Almost hit my TP. You can see that almost hit my TP. And what's gonna happen now is that the market will go against me right now, okay, because of this particular dip. So and this thing happened because somebody sold a big part of the his coin. So but I'm not gonna close the market. I'm just gonna leave it. If it actually come back again or anything, I'm fine with it. Okay, so I've taken my own to be on break even. So that's it. So you can see we would have made 17 USD from this particular place, but it didn't. It was just a tiny something for it to hit my TP. Okay, so I'm gonna wait and see the outcome of this trade. Okay, so guys, as a wise trader, I think the best option for me to do is to take profit. And the reason why I really want to do that is because from the view of the market, I can see that the market is actually gonna go bad. So I think I will take profit from this particular place, and let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, so I've just saved this, and gonna close here. Okay, so I think that's the best thing I can actually do right now. Okay, that's the best thing for me to do. So you can see we actually came out with something here. So you can see we made some profit. So that's the best thing. So you can join my VIP if you want to learn more about it.